Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I just want to show you something what's happening in the Northern California or Wednesday, March 8th. After I watched the news, some of it don't have time to sit on computer, but I saw some news and the news were discussing the prices of the gasoline, and the price of gas went $1.40 up since the new administration took office and blah blah blah. The price was like $4. Like, okay, I want to show you reality in Northern California and California in general. The prices are basically doubled since they took the office and they did what they did. Look what we are paying here. This is our reality. They want $7.20 for the diesel, okay? So this is doubled. This is not for $1. This is not a joke. And I don't know why they keep talking about that stuff. And the reality is completely different. The gas is completely different price than they're showing, and they're saying, oh yeah, $1. No. The year and something ago, the price of gas here, the same gas station, it's like $3 something, $3.30. Now it's $6. So it's not just $1. The prices are basically 90% higher, almost doubled. So I just wanted to share it with you. Heading home. I was at the new shop. You guys are waiting for that. Well, guess what? The guys who are working there in that building, they just find out that somebody cut the fence, destroyed the fence, and who knows what they are up to or what they are preparing for, right? Fortunately, the workers found it, so they are fixing the fence, but they are moving their vehicles inside of the building overnight and so on. So, yeah, not much fun nowadays. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you soon in different video in that new shop. See ya.